goat land. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our channel. I am your host O'Neill and you are watching the Jamaican Canadian family. So guys, I have some goat meat here and I'm going to prepare a nice dinner. I already washed my meat, but I always like to show you guys from start to finish so it's all ready to season. The best way to season your meat is overnight. If you're going to cook, for instance, a Sunday dinner, you season your meat from Saturday and let all your seasoning just take the meat so that when you're eating your food, you get all the taste that you want out of your food, because taste is everything when it comes on to a meal. So I'm going to season and you're riding along as always, guys. One important thing, always make sure that there's no water at the bottom of your pan. You see that? And I'm using natural seasoning. This is my onion. This is my thyme. Red onion. Scallion. And I use a lot of ground seasoning, guys, because I don't use a lot of the powder seasoning, so I use a lot of ground seasoning. This is my all-purpose Maggi. That's my hot pepper. That's my salt. And this is turmeric. I don't use the curry, so that's all I'm using for now. And before I stir, this is my coconut oil. I just throw some on top like this, because coconut oil is natural. And then I just take my time and I season my meat just right. Cover it and just let your season take the meat just fine before you cook it. Okay guys, turn on my stove, put a little bit of natural coconut oil and let it hot. My meat is all marinated and ready to cook. Let's get cooking in the Jamaican Canadian family kitchen. So my oil is hot, guys, so I'm going to put my meat. Okay guys, there you have it. This is going to sweat a lot of water, so I'm not going to add any water to it yet. I'm just going to cover it and let it sweat water, and as it dry down, I put a little bit of water. That's how it's done. See what I was saying before, guys? It sweated a lot of water. So you don't need to put any water inside as yet until it dries down. A lot of water. And just let it take time to cook. My meat is almost done, and I'm just going to add the last set of my seasoning. Add my onion, my carrots, and you can cut these smaller, but I like mine this way. My bell peppers, my scallion. Stir all of this. My pimento seed. And now it's just making gravy, and the seasoning, I want them to park up. So just cover it and let it simmer down. Okay guys, everything is all done. See, it look like a lot of seasoning guys, but the seasoning shrink. Now it's lost, see? Nice gravy. So that's how I prepare my curry goat, guys. This is garlic. I'm going to turn off the stove and I'm going to put this in. And I'm just going to let the heat do the work. Stir it up. Look at that. Nice. Yeah. Very nice. Okay guys, this here they call it pigeon peas. Where I'm from, I know this as gungo. So I'm going to prepare some gungo rice. There is a special way to use this. I was talking to a good friend of mine the other day, and he was saying whenever time he used the peas or the things in the tin, they always sick him. So I'm going to show you the way how to use it properly. Open it. And this, guys, is the preservative. This is not good for you, the water. A lot of people, when they're cooking, they just throw the water in the pot and put the rice in. It's not good for you, it's not healthy. So you have to throw off this water. And when you throw off the water, you catch some warm water. This is warm water here. And I do it like this. Just to take out the preservative that is not good for you. That's the way how I do it. This is my gungo peas or pigeon peas in the coconut milk boiling. My thyme, my pimento seed, and my scallion. Okay guys, the boat land. It simply means the food is finished. This is my grape juice. I've been drinking this a lot from the other day. It's very good. This is the curry goat with some Jamaican rice and peas, my avocado, and my lettuce. It's always good to have vegetable, greens, along with your food. So I just balance it with the vegetable, and the avocado is very good too. So let's taste. I wish you guys were here. It's good, guys. Food is very good. But until next time, guys, I hope you enjoy my cooking. Be safe, guys, and have yourself a wonderful day. God loves you all. See you in the next video.